Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pizza with ground beef. First, brown 1 pound of ground beef in a skillet, then drain any excess fat. While the beef cooks, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, place your pre-made pizza crust on a baking sheet, ready for toppings. This easy method ensures a delicious meal with minimal effort. Now, let's assemble our pizza. Begin by spreading about 1 cup of your favorite pizza sauce evenly across the crust, leaving a small border. Next, scatter the cooked ground beef over the sauce. Finally, generously sprinkle 2 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese over the beef and sauce. Feel free to add other toppings like sliced onions or bell peppers if you wish. It's time to bake your delicious creation. Carefully place the pizza into your preheated 400-degree Fahrenheit oven. Bake for approximately 12 to 15 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is bubbly and slightly browned. Keep an eye on it to prevent overcooking. This step is crucial for that perfect texture. Once baked, carefully remove the pizza from the oven. It's important to let it cool for about 5 minutes before slicing. This helps the cheese set and prevents toppings from sliding off. Use a sharp pizza cutter to slice your pizza into 8 equal pieces. Now, serve it up and enjoy your fantastic, easy-to-make ground beef pizza.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.